Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Lowe's. So let's dive in. All right, to get it started, we can see that spring is coming close because they have deals for weed eaters and blowers going on right now. These are the main setups. Got some of these options as well as some mowers as well. You can see right now they're really pushing these Ego options, $219 for the string trimmer or a blower. So pretty good deal for that one right there. And then also solid option for the Toro lawnmower. They have been on significant clearance and deals, but right now with it getting close to cutting season, you will see these prices staying pretty similar right now for a while. They do have the 20% off option right here for some of these furniture pieces. So if you are in need of some of those, solid deal for that one. You get again, 20% off. They do have some good deals on some of their appliances. You see right here, limited time deals on these, and I'll show you some of the other ones in just a moment. But we actually got some of these recently, and they've worked pretty well for us. But solid price right there for a washer or dryer. You got the battery starter kit right here for Ego, $295 down from $370. So really good deal on that one. Wet dry vac kit, also again from Ego option, down to $439. So pretty good price, especially if you're in the Ego brand. That's a great one to pick up. You got a few different options right here for your chainsaw. Got a couple chains and different things. So check these out. Again, for the Husqvarna 16-inch right there. So really depending if you have this. They also had some trimmer line here. You see this trimmer line spool for $10. Kobalt has their string trimmer down to $175. Again, get to save a little bit on that one. Also have their pruning saw kit down to $119 from $150. I really like these. I have a lot of those and they work really well. Also have their chainsaw down to $159. You can see that one, it was sold out of my store, but still good prices on that. And another shot for the string trimmer right here for $120. Had a bunch of good Craftsman deals. These are just some of those right here. See the leaf blower for $109. Solid option right there. Again, depending on what you might be in the market for, but a bunch of different deals on these right here. Also the pruning saw for $109. So you can see what that one actually looks like there. They did have this skill light. Again, just the bare tool right there, little mechanics light. So again, for $15. I like that one. It's a solid deal. They also had a bunch of their animal or just bug killer, insect killer stuff. Have the little bait stations as well as just stuff like that, and then also some of the sprays as well for some of your fruit and stuff like that. So different things like that. You can go and check and see what might be available in your clearance section near the back. Also had the 35% off all-in-one appliances. So again, if you need any of these appliances, now is a pretty good time to go and snag some of those and go see what they might have and what you might need. Again, here are some specific deals. You can see this one, you get to save $400 right there on this refrigerator. And again, another shot at the 35% off. So that's a pretty good deal, again, if you need any of these appliances right now. Also have the DeWalt speaker. This little Bluetooth speaker, down $100. Then the wet dry vac as well for $130. Little small option right there. The Stanley cups were on sale. You don't always see these on sale, but I did want to show you guys those. Not something I always pick up at Lowe's, but I did see these as I was walking by. So if you need any Stanley cups, great thing to go ahead and check out there. Here are a couple deals. I think these are left over from Christmas sales, but you can see they're still going on right now. Limited time deals on any of these items. So if you need any of these Klein tools, definitely something you want to go ahead and grab. Check these out before they move them or any kind of thing like that. So still got some of these boxes and some of these items still available at my store. You see the little hex key kits and wrenches and stuff like that. So a great thing to always check out. Also, I will have links for some of these items down below. If you're interested, you can check those out. And if this video has been helpful, feel free to like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. Next, we have another blower here from Kobalt, $99. Little leaf blower kit. Solid deal right there on that one. Then we have some Craftsman deals. You see $99 on any of these tools, whichever one you might need. You got some drills and some blades, and even some of the batteries as well. DeWalt had their deal $130 for any of these. We've seen a couple of these, saw the deals going on already, but still some good options for those depending on what you might be in the market for. Then we see another setup right here for Lowe's. The free battery when you buy one of these tools. So again, you get a solid deal on the battery when you're purchasing one of these tools. So again, if you're already going to get one, might as well go ahead and get it, and you get the nice battery with it there.
Hey guys, the sponsor of today's video is Squire Locks. This is a great heavy-duty lock if you're looking for one in any type of use case. A couple good things I like about this. Number one, you have your little pack on the front with all your numbers. It is actually in a little safety pack, which is nice. Has a cover over it, which is really cool. Really easy to use. I like the long neck right here. So again, if you're going to be using this, for something, or if you need to put multiple little hooks in there, you can do that. So again, when you're hooking it on something, it really is really long. So that way you can also manipulate it. So if you're going to hook it on there, you can manipulate it. Has a cool button on the bottom. All I have to do is hit that button. After you put in your code, hit the button, pop it up. Really easy to use right there. And again, overall, really cool lock. So this is a great option. Really heavy duty. Has a lot of cool stuff. Again, all terrain, waterproof, and a bunch of different other features like that. So 1,000 different combinations with this one right here, and all different kind of weather, inside or outside. So if you're looking for a lock, this is definitely one I highly recommend you check out. I will have a link down below, and you can check it out down there.
And back to the video, I want to show you this Klein backpack here. Pretty good deal on that one, down to $129. Also, we have the other backpack here for $90. Good prices on those right there. Got a few different bit sets, down a couple bucks there. So again, if you want to buy those, or we got some blades and different things right here. So again, some still pretty good deals. Bosch has some of their deals still available. So in case you need any of those, maybe you're a Bosch fan. You got the hammer drill, bare tool here for the jigsaw. Also the towel bit set down to $27, 40-piece bit set, as well as some saw blades. So pretty good deals right there for Bosch. I know a lot of people that are Bosch exclusive, so again, you got some good deals you can grab. Finally, had a couple good deals on some nailers right here for $250 for that one, $159 here for this setup, and then I got again another one for $99. So we have some Metabo good deals here. We got the free Bosch 18-volt tool with a purchase of 18-volt 1-pack battery and charger. So again, if you need some batteries, great thing to pick out there. My kids did absolutely love playing with some of these drills. Fun time just to go ahead and take them up there, let them have a little bit of fun while I'm making some videos. So if you got some kiddos, let them run in there and have some fun. Also recommend grabbing a wet dry vac. You never know when you're going to need one. Here's a solid price for $79. We also have another Kobalt tool right here. Check that one out. So again, if you need one of these saws, good deal on that one right there. Another reciprocating saw for $99, and this is bare tool saws. So just remember that. Another deal right there for the hammer drill kit, down to $130. Another saw right here, the brushless option, $99. Again, Kobalt's a solid brand. It's Lowe's brand, so you can always bring it back. Got the bare tool right here for the multi-tool, $80 on that one. So again, another good deal and a solid price. Some of these have been picked over at my store, as you can see. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing as well, or if you have gotten anything recently and maybe what deals you got. You get a good deal right here on this Metabo chop saw. You get a new stand with that, so good deal for that one. And then also the sliding compound miter saw deal, $4.99 here for DeWalt. Again, one of the best brands you'll be able to get here at Lowe's. But let me know in the comments what you guys plan on getting, and if this video is helpful, you can feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.